Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5. The member of group, me, Suci Ramadhani, Hilpan Palendra, and Indriana. The topic material today, adaptations and adoptions of material. The first explained by me. First, adaptations and adoptions of material. There are a number of ways that can be used to develop teaching material, broadly classified into two ways, namely adaptations and adoptions. In the chapter will be described as follows. First, adapt teaching material. The second, adaptations of teaching material. First, adaptations of teaching material. In adoptions, teaching material, teachers can be used two ways, namely, use textbooks that have been designed according to the curriculum and using authentic material or authentic materials. A. Textbook, a convenient and easy way to adapt the material is using textbooks that are already available. While aside the teach in certain classes, teachers have freedom in choosing material and teaching material with the RPP that has been made. Okay, the next explained by Hilpan Palendra.
B. Authentic material. Using authentic material is another option that teacher can be used because not all topic and activities in textbooks can be correct. Make learning objective. This material is used in everyday life which involves the use of the native language, and this material is highly recommended by educators and experts. Richard 2001 mentioned the advantage of authentic material. Authentic material has a positive effect on student motivation. Authentic text is adaptable and has topic. Authentic text provide authentic cultural information. Authentic text put emphasis on native language. Authentic texts are more related to student needs. Authentic texts support a creative approach in teaching. Authentic material also has weaknesses. Richard 2001 mentioned authentic material often contain difficult English vocabulary items that are unneeded and complex language structure that cause difficult for teachers who teach students at lower level. Martins 2002 to mention that authentic material has a cultural base and language structure mix that can make it difficult for students at lower level to understand the material.
Okay, the next material, adaptation of teaching materials. Material adaptations is another possibility that can be done by a person teachers in the context of pursuing textbooks. Adaptation of teaching materials is making change to existing material in order to improve it or making it more suitable for certain students. Adaptation this can be done in several ways such as first, modifying the content. The contents of textbook might need to be changed because they are not suitable with students studying. This may be due to consideration of the following factors related to students such as age, gender, social status, occupation, religion, or cultural background. And the second, uh, adding or subtracting content. A textbook may consist of too much or too little content. For example, an activity book is focused on listening and speaking skills, but the book also contains activities on writing skills. And the third, re- rearrange content. A teacher may decide to rearrange syllabus of the book and arrange the units in order it deems more suitable. And the four, omitting certain parts. In a text, there may be parts which can be omitted by the teacher because they are considered less important. As for example, teachers can add vocabulary activities or grammar activities to the one unit as a replacement for those that are eliminated. Okay, the five, modifying assignments. Exercise and activities may need to be changed to provide additional focus. For example, a listening activity may only be focused on listening to information, so it needs to be adapted. Accordingly, students can listen two or three times for different purpose. And the last, developing the task at hand. The exercise may consist of enough exercise so additional practice assessment need to edit. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.